When the USSR folded its tent, the Pentagon decided it was time not only for new planes, but also for a less costly way of doing business. Thus, the birth of America's newest combat aircraft, the F-35 Joint Strike Fighter, JSF. The F-35s are a family of 3 aircraft, designated the F-35A, F-35B and F-35C. Similar in shape and size, and powered by the same basic engine, the F-35s will share between 70 and 90% of their parts. Yet, under the skin they are 3 distinctly different machines. The U.S. Air Force will fly the F-35A. Designed to take off and land from conventional runways, it bears a close family resemblance to the F-22 Raptor air superiority fighter, a trait shared by all 3 JSF variants. The Air Force wants to use the F-35A to replace its obsolete fleet of A-10 tank killers and rapidly aging F-16 fighters. The F-35A would allow for migration by U.S. forces to an almost all-stealth fighter force by 2025, says Edward Aldridge, Undersecretary of Defense for Acquisitions. In a future war, F-22s and F-35s would fly complementary missions. The F-22 would establish and maintain air superiority, while the F-35s would attack the enemy on the ground. Planners envision that during the first hours of a war, F-35s would take advantage of their near Mach 2 speed and stealth to deliver a pair of internally carried 2,000-pound Supersmart bombs against command and control targets. Once the enemy was blinded and stealth became unnecessary, ground crews could fit the 2 hardpoints on the F-35 as wings with a variety of missiles and bombs. If the Air Force holds to its current plans, it will buy 1763 F-35s. The least complicated of the designs.